Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 2.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.8% against the dollar. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla has started rolling out version 11 of its full self-driving beta software to employees and testers after several months of delays. The EV maker hasn't officially shared release notes on FSD beta, but leaked notes and videos from beta testers have surfaced online. Rio Tinto more than halved its dividend after posting a 38% drop in annual profit, hurt by weaker iron ore prices as demand from China slowed, higher labour and material costs. Binance is moving to a semi-automated process for managing the reserves of tokens it issues after years in which reserves were mixed with customer funds, and at least one major stablecoin, Binance Peg BUSD, was not always fully backed, according to a report.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT, the Austrian HICP at 0800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Foreign Bond Investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.